Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can update PUBG Mobile gaming app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So by updating this app, you'll be able to fix any issues or errors associated with this app. You'll also be able to get the latest features that comes with the app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, to get the latest update or the latest version of PUBG Mobile gaming app, you need to go ahead and look for Play Store if you are on Android or App Store if you are on iPhone. So for my case, I'll go to Play Store because I'm on Android smartphone, and then go ahead, log in with your Gmail account, and you should see a search bar on top. Go ahead and tap on it and search for PUBG, just as that, one word. And if I tap on this, I'll be taken to the app. You can see it is already installed on my phone, and we have an update, which means I've been using an outdated version of this app. To update, just tap on update, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of PUBG mobile game app and then install it on your smartphone. Now, once it has been installed, you can proceed and tap on play to start playing it straight from here. Or if you go to your apps, now you should be able to find the latest version of the app for you. So that's how you can update PUBG mobile game app on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.